Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make 3D text in Illustrator. So first of all we need to type the text here. So for that just click on this T icon and just type your text. I'm just gonna type 3D. Okay, you can just select this option in order to transform the text. Hold your shift key while resizing the text so that you will not distort the text. Okay, now if you want to choose the font, for that just open this drop down and from here you can just choose the font you like. I like this one, so I can just select that. Now we're gonna create the outline of this text. So for that just hit right click on the text. Here you will see the option create outlines. Now you can see that the outline has been successfully created. Now we need to choose the color for the text. So for that just select the text, go to this window, and right here you can just choose the color you like. Okay, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna create the 3D effect on this text. So for that just go to effect, and right here we're gonna choose the effect, this one 3D and materials, and under this drop down select the option 3D classic and choose this extrude and bevel. This window will pop up, and just right at the moment you will see that the text has been converted into 3D. So we can just change the position. If you want to see this text from front, you can just choose that, as well as you can just choose off axis front, off axis back. It's up to you. Choose the angle you like. Now just set this depth to something like 60 points so that the text will look good. It's up to you, whichever you like, you can just select that. Now in the bevel we should choose the option, this one, tall round. Okay, and yep, just now the text is looking good. Now let's see, if you wanna like customize the position of all your text, you can just do that by moving this box around like this, like this. It's up to you. Personally I like this one, off axis front. Okay, and just click on OK, and yeah, the text is successfully converted into 3D. If you want to change the color again, for that you can again select this option, choose the color you like, and yep, it is that easy to create 3D text in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.